But I don't want to be probed without giving consent. It worked. So this is what I have now in OBS, tracking my face in 3D. However, there are some bugs that I got to work out. You know, get it to follow. I think I need to put it all in a wrapper of some sort. My head. It's my head. It's so big. It's like a beehive inside my brain. Standing in the shower, just fuck. Fuckity fuck. No. Great Googa Mooga. Not really getting a shadow from the fire, are we? Oh shit! You win this time, City. Uh-oh. Oh, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Let's see. Boom. My balls. Thank you for following. Follow me wherever I go, my balls. And I appreciate that's about you. Some new Cat 6. Or something. Because one of the cables I made is falling apart. Well, not falling apart, but it just keeps getting disconnected from my network switch. At least now I know where to look. Fucking hell. That link, that announcement I just posted, it is the most amazing app for holding all your links. For everything. It shows when I'm live on YouTube, shows when I'm live on Twitch, has all the links that I could ever want to share out in one location, and it's so fucking customizable. Absolutely love it. All right. Where were we on the music front? Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. What? Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. Look at that. Actually shrink it down a wee bit. This little guy. Help me! Help me! No, no, no. You're mine forever. Help me! Help me! Fruit fly just went up my nose. Mm. To get a clip of myself here, or if anybody else wants to get it, I want to show off where I'm at with this. And I'm curious, like, for this to be a functional game, we're almost there, right? We are almost there. I just need to create the enemies. We have the base stuff. We just need to create, like, what the variations are going to be. Affin, go ahead. Stretch your legs out. Stretch everything that you need to stretch out. Here, I'll show you how the day is gone. The day has gone like this. If you can find a replacement for me, I'm gonna raid out, and this has been a lot of fun. We'll play again.
Super fun, GD.
Give me 5, GD.
Yeah, yeah.
1, 2, 3, team. All right, catch you later. We're just gonna hunt down our good boy here. Been right for me. There we go. That's so much better. Oh, no more being brought into the. Thank you, Freedom. I appreciate that. Avoid user. Why, hello. How we doing? Captain Krabs, you're first. Welcome in. Good to see you. Greetings. Greetings, humans. What is going on? I really don't know what I'm doing today. But I have the day off. I'm off till first of the year. Second, though. 5th of the year. So I figured instead of sitting around twiddling my thumbs, trying again and again to beat Metroid, I'd just stream and fail at something in public. Yeah. How you been, Captain? Hope you're doing as well as can be expected. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you spending time here. Jim, no, I did poop today, but I didn't poop my pants. Thanks for asking, though. I really appreciate that you come in every time and are like, you know what? I wonder if this guy pooped his pants. I should check. And then I just, nope, not today. But thank you. So yeah, again, I did have it set to just chatting to begin with because, oh, wait, those are weird. Because I didn't know what I was going to be doing. I still don't, but I'm doing it anyway. So what's up with y'all? Jim, how you doing? Yes, happy Boxing Day. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. I'm so bad I make medicine sick. Man, nobody has ever had or will ever have the charisma of Muhammad Ali. Ooh, it's a big balapoo. I am the poo. Are you the poo? No, I am the poo. He, the poo, is not you. I did get something kind of cool for Christmas. Unfortunately, because I have a green screen, it doesn't really show. But somebody got me a neon light of my name, which I have hanging on the wall behind me, but I've got a green screen in between because my office is a mess. But it looks really cool. You're just gonna have to trust me on that. So, what should we do? Should I work on the presentation more? Should I work on my website more? Should I just do some random shit more? I don't know. Yeah, decisions suck. It's hard. You know, what's going to end up happening is me just sitting here going, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. So I'm just going to make up words to a song that doesn't exist. Yay. I don't know what to do. Jim. Yes. Yes, you finally got it. Finally got it. I mean, the goal eventually, you know, if I ever start having like guests or anything on, I have Tricky, welcome in. So close, so close. I have set up here, yeah, or I thought I did, set up an extra TV for a guest that would drop down like right here and have basically the same thing on it, which I might be having. Uh-oh, what is going on there? That is going crazy, stone cold crazy. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's get back. Get this back up. No, I don't. No, I don't. I really don't. Everything's broken now. Oh, we might have to restart everything. Gravity crap, crap, crap. There we go. There we go. We've reconnected. Is the goal bar going to work? Not yet. Okay. Hold on. Actions. There we go. There we go. Now I think I got it. What the hell is that one? Stream up, view update called CTA. Yeah, there we go. Sorry, things broke for some reason. StreamerBot was running extra weird, which does happen. But yeah, Jim, I was hoping, if I ever have guests or anything, I want to have like a second TV and a chair pop up. The downside is I need to figure out how. What'd that do? I want to figure out how to like, or a good position to have the screen to show things. Plus that, without being too interruptive, because so I am going to have somebody on, in the nearest future to talk about Drupal, to talk about something called single directory components, which are really, really cool. And what they are is basically you can create something called a component. And let's just use button as an example. Define some things in it. And then template it out. And then it automatically exists in the theme. It's available to use in the theme. I'm going to have somebody, one of the founders of a really cool site, really cool company. Dripyard. That they build Drupal themes. And really cool themes that are like right out of the box, ready to go and do all the amazing things with it. And we're going to have Mike on here sometime in the nearest future. To talk about it. No, excuse me. Let's close down some of these. That's gone. All right. All right. And so, yeah. Hope everybody had a decent holiday, whatever you celebrate. Mine was all right. You know, nothing fancy, nothing horrible. Lots of Stranger Things. It was a good time. I did enjoy it. What is up, son? What's up, dog? Do you have up, dog? Ooh. I like it. You know, maybe... Oh, platform. Okay. Interesting. So platform was probably still is a Drupal and other hosting platform. So I don't know why they changed their name. Find out. Cool. I don't really see a lot different. All right, let's go back here. Just load up now. Let's reload it. Yay, back to site. Okay. Seriously, I don't know what I want to do today. What do you all want to do? What what's the theme of the day? Web dev, game dev, something other dev. Wake my ass up, dev. Or you just want to say, fuck it all, let's do some Jackbox. I honestly don't care. I'm on vacation. No, Jim, I haven't tried Sug on D's. What's Suck on D's? I ask again. What is Sug on these? On the off chance that it's not what I think it is. Nah. Holy shit. Hold on. We got a clip. Clip that. Did you see that drop? See that drop? 99.74. 99.74. You know, Chem Crabs, you know what they say. 7 days of JD makes 1 week. Oh yeah. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know. I'm still reeling from Jim's joke. Oh, you know, can't get enough of it. Such a good one. That unfortunately gets put in with the clip of my really, really good drop. Drop, drip, drop, a drippy to the drip, and a drip, drop, and you don't stop hopping to the drink, bang, boogie to hip, to boogie to the rhythm of the drippity beat. Oh, wow. What am I doing with my life here? Okay, let's close this down. Let's just make some more slides. How about that? How about we make some more slides? And maybe some effects within them. All right, so slide. Do it open slide 6. Okay. Position X. There we go. We got that. Now I'm thinking I kind of want to do an animation. I don't know what the best way to do it is, but it's basically I want to do like a 3D animation effect of like an image flipping around, right? I know that basically the way that happens is, you know, you start with the image and then you whoa, not like that. Flatten it, and then change the image once it hits the midpoint. And then it's the other image, right? Image card flip. Let's call the card flip effect. Scale to 0, swap the texture. Okay, yeah, this seems good. Seems pretty. We keep everything in the slide boundary, don't we? Yeah. Slide collider. It's all there. Card. Oh no. It's gonna be an. Oh no. Oh no. Sprite 2D. There we go. Got that. And now. Okay, there we go. Got that. Ooh, that's a good drop too. Holy crap. Well done. Well done. Need to change this around, don't I? Snap it. Save as. We're gonna save. I don't have a problem with Imagine Dragons, unless this is gonna somehow end up being another Imagine Dragon D's nuts on your chin. If that's the case, then I might have a slight issue with them. I have a. There we go. Got that. now I need to scale this and make it work. Probably could. No, I don't want to do it that way. I do like parodies. Let's see if that made it any. There we go. Now I can work with this. Pretty damn close, isn't it? Let's see. Huh? Yeah. Did it again. You did it again. I didn't think you were going to do it, but you did it again. Congratulations. You got me again. Ooh. I think I need to open up the old one. That's what she said. I don't know if I had an animation player on individual slides or if I had a single animation player. What do y'all recommend? One animation, all animation. One animation player to rule them all. don't see a... Wait, the animation player were all the... Oh, I think I tweened them. So I didn't have one before. I tweened everything. Hey, then. Let's animate. Let's do new. Call it card flip. Scale there. Yep. Create. And then wait, I want it to be... $15. Wait a minute. Okay, 15. 0. One. Boom, got that. Visibility, visible, boom. And let's go back to the beginning, make sure that it's visible here. And let's go to the end. No. No. Okay, let's play it and see. Boom. There we go. What happens if I bounce it? How can I make it so that this... Because if it's reversing, it should, like, when it gets back to this point, How do I do that? Jim, I get them all. I get them all. I get them all. Yes, D's nuts. D's nuts. D's nuts. Do I want a job planting tulips? Tulips on D's nuts. I get it. I get it. I get it. Senior Junior Games, welcome in, first time chat. How you doing? How you doing? So what kind of software engineering do you do? I myself personally am a web developer. I need to figure out how to. I wonder if instead of this, web dev, nice. Oh, then I have a question for you. Boy, do I have a question for you. Well, first, what kind of web dev do you do? Front end, back end, full stack, no stack? And the question will make sense in a little bit. It's not like a hazing ritual that I have for anybody coming in here. But yeah, what kind of why none of my things seem to be like going. But yeah, what backend dev do you do? .NET, PHP, Node, something completely different? I'm curious. Java, Kotlin. Whoa, doing some Android. I'm assuming. My timers aren't working. Jim, come on. Somebody brand new coming in here. Don't answer that. So senior junior, what do you think, or what do you know of Drupal? And no answer is fine. It's not a trap. It's not a trap. It's not like a hey, this is a litmus test for whether or not you get to stick around. No, that's not it. I seriously want to know what other people's opinions of Drupal are, and the reason will become clear in momentarily. Let's see. We're gonna do that. Scale that. Perfect. No, I don't want to. What? No, bad. And if I could ask a follow-up question, why would you go with Laravel as opposed to a different PHP? And again, I'm not trying to flame war or anything. I'm not trying to cause arguments. And here's why I'm asking. Here's the reason. I'll show. I'm doing a talk in February. I am a Drupal developer professionally. I'm doing a talk in February, and it's all about why developers don't choose Drupal and what we can do about it. So I'm trying to figure out what the view of Drupal is from people who don't do Drupal, because that's what I feel like is that a lot of the cool things that Drupal is doing now, we're only telling other Drupal people about. We're not really getting the message out to other people, and that's the problem. Welcome in, Desist, and Tricky. You always want those buns, those hot buns. Bow bun. Get the buns. I completely agree, and that's why I'm doing this whole presentation. That is the whole thesis of this presentation. Now, I wonder... I'm getting a list of quotes. You know, I'm not going to show them all. I'm not going to blah, blah, blah. Let's see. Here's a whole page full of quotes, but, you know, I'm shaking it around, so I'm not, like, calling out anybody in, directly. Ooh, that is a good one. Because that's part of my recommendations too, is like, you know, short form content. People doing tutorials on Drupal to solve problems that you wouldn't think of with Drupal. Like you said, CRUD, blog apps. And the reason for it is that, you know, blog, you think WordPress, right? But that's not necessarily like the best option. Well, I don't know that. Oh, excuse me. But the reason is because WordPress has that big friendly, you know, 5-minute or 5-second install button. And it's just close. Or it's just, you know, perfect for it. Build a blog from scratch in 10 minutes with Ruby. So yeah. And the marketing, the messaging is shit. I hate to say it. I love the people on the Drupal Association. I know most of them, but the marketing needs some work. So let me show you this. And this isn't to try and change your mind about it. And I am so glad that you came in here, because, you know, I need these opinions. But yeah, I'm writing a presentation. So the presentations I make lately are now in Godot as games. I think it's so fun to do, and it's a nice change of pace, because, you know, you can only do so many things with PowerPoint or Canva or Google Slides, when instead, you know, I can do, you know, they see, if somebody comes into a presentation of mine and they see me with the controller, like, oh, what the hell's going on here? Okay. All right. What do I do? All right, there's a thing. Press the button like you were told. All right. A little bit about me. Boom, boom, boom. And then I also have I have my slide notes here too, so that I can have 2 screens. This is something that I'm actually really, really proud of. Ooh, what's going on here? Oh, I can't run it from... There we go. But so what I've been showing too, it's in code here. JDDoesDev delete. So let me show you. I mean, there's a new thing, Drupal CMS. It was actually released a year ago, which is kind of the problem. It was released a year ago. Now, a version 2 is coming out next month, like within the next 30 days. But the way that it's set up now, let me spin this down and then spin it back up. Instead of starting a new one, I should just like spin it down every time that I do this. All right, well, that's going. Desist, have you done a card flip animation? Ooh, what's that? What happened? Oh, okay. Docker, filter prune, let's clear everything, yes. Desist, have you ever done any card flip animations? Card flip new. Let's just do that. Go from new to old, and then we'll create a new animation. Problem with marketing framework, PHP frameworks. That's PHP. Yes, I agree. And your typo is accurate, I'd say. Jim, who's been together almost 30 years? You are so right. Senior, junior, yes. All right, this should be ready. Okay. So now with Drupal CMS using new PHP, I don't have the site installed. We're going to open up a new installation right off the bat with recipes and shit that come with it. All right, I want to spin up a blog, and this is just from the install. I have a local development Docker environment set up. There are places to test this out, but just from the new install, I want to have blog, I want to have events, I want to have person profiles. Name it whatever. Okay. My password's admin. Now, without writing a single line of code, I'm going to set things up. I'm going to go back to the animation and just doing a reverse. Visible. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you the card flip new. I want to do a reverse. So the normal one is fine, but I want it to bounce. But when we get to the halfway point, I've got it going here. Now, I guess what I could do is run a method from within the slide to toggle. Since you can do tracks. I'm not going to change texture because there could be a bit of a delay on it. So what I'm doing is hiding one, and I've got the two textures here. Let me go back here. And then I just toggle visible to invisible. All right, let's go back here. But I want it to bounce. And when I have it bounce like this, boom, that looks fine. But then see, it's on the way back that it don't. It don't work too well. But even if I loop it, I want it to reverse. Because here's what I'm thinking for it is so, okay, let me explain the problem. But first, go back here. All right, so senior, junior, this is what a quick setup does. What I did, now you have, from zero to blog in 10 minutes, under 10 minutes, with all this published, ready to go, ready to theme. Stony, I am trying to animate stuff. I'm trying to talk about Drupal. Have I asked you about the Drupals? What your thoughts of dripping are? So desist. What I'm thinking, what I want to have happen here, and hold on, move. All right, we got little me here. Little me is going to walk around, and there's going to be like a pressure plate right here. Let's just say right here, a pressure plate. Okay. When I step on the pressure plate, I want it to go whoop. When I step off the pressure plate, then I want it to go boom back to the old one to show the difference between the two. Make sense? So on the pressure plate, I think the easiest way is just going to be running a separate animation. Unless I nearest, let's make almost like a dot motion. Boom, no. Linear. Okay, got that. Call method track. That's what I thought. Okay. The slow bunnies. This is going to be another D's. And yes, Stony, I did ask for your opinion and your thoughts. And we do a all method track. Oh, good. Okay. Thanks for the heads up. Let's get rid of that track. Okay, so that's probably what I want to do. Let's add a script here in the right folder. It extends node 2D. We have here ready, front image, back image, animation player. Now, here is the thing. The animation player is going to be there. Old, new. Let's make it a little more descriptive. Old UI, new UI. Ready. And what does it recommend here? Input event. Swap images is the key one here. Swap images. Void. Old UI.visible. New UI. All right, there we go. That should be easy enough here. Get rid of that. Let's add in a wait, where? Oh, got to save it. Really want it to be that. Let's save it there. Now let's insert key. Pop you there. All right, looks like ads are going. Let's look back here and let's oh, yeah, we're gonna have to check that. Wait, what? I think I might have to view it from within here. Oh, no. It's not gonna do the thing here. But I'm afraid to ask. But no, I have not. There we go. Now, if I just do it one way here, or if I loop it, boom, there we go. Perfect. Play it again. Yes, it works. Oh, God. Oh, God. There we go again. There we go again. Okay, now we need as large text. That auto wrap word. So, good question. Selling point of Drupal, I mean, the goal, at least my goal, is to get more people to, well, not hate it just because Drupal. A lot of the quotes I've gotten have been like, I didn't know it's still alive, haven't heard about it in a long time. The last video I saw was 2014. Damn, that's some old shit. When I hear it, I think of 2010. So I think that the messaging is bad because, I mean, you know, going from, well, that image that I just showed here, kind of hard. This is old Drupal 6 UI. And this is what it is now. Extremely quick to set up, extremely quick to put together. Now, and this looks worse than it is because I'm actively building out stuff. But now we have a UI. Did I get the button working? I got the button working, but I haven't got the slots here working. That now we can drop stuff into. Oh, okay, I want to throw a card in here. Boom, that's what I do. And now we can put in the action. Ooh, in the action, I want to throw in a button. Button's going to do that. I'm still actively working on getting all these things working, or the components. But out of the box, doing that is a lot better than it used to be.
Do it!
Ah,
Just do it!
I'm trying.
Do it! Just do it!
I'm trying. Ooh. Then where did new? Okay, I'm glad that you asked. I am glad that you asked that. Because I didn't want to do this. But I'm only doing it for my local. Let's go with Anthropic. Let's add them all. Ooh. Well, I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. I know not everybody. Limp Bizkit, Faith. Oscar, what is up? Okay, one moment. Oscar, I'm trying to show and see what's good about Drupal and trying to, just get people's opinions while working on my Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh, hold on. I might need to. Yep. I'll spend some money on it. Now, this is a confusion for me. Definitely a confusion for me. I thought that a Claude subscription covered the API stuff. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm. Ooh, what I press? All right, there. You can set it up to have an assistant. Set up prompts. Alt settings, automators. This is something that I haven't dove into too much because I don't like it, I guess. I don't know if liking is the big thing or not, but it's not something that I feel like very strong about having to use. But I think that with the Drupal Forge version, it's already installed and ready to go. Yeah. Create content. Let's see. Chat, we got that. Embeddings, image, translate. So yeah, I know that it's available to be used, but I don't know like the best way to go about using it. Content authoring, let's see. Text formats. Yeah, I'm sorry I don't have a better answer about that. Oh, these are some pretty cool prompts. Jim, enough. Oh, there it is. Let's see if this works. I'd like to use Drupal canvas and create a few code components to use on a page. Let's start with a simple button component. All right. Yes, let's do it. Oh boy, that's bad. That's wonderful. I'm not the right agent. This is for creating a Drupal canvas component. Oh, you're bad. You're bad. I will say that this is like a very limited LLM so that, you know, we aren't eating up all of Salim's money for this free tool. I want to give credit where credit's due, and he's definitely put a lot of work into this. Him and others, but he's the only one I know right off the top of my head. Yeah, where was I on other stuff here? And Stony, did I miss something? Did I miss? Are you still here, Stony? Okay, 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 okay. Let's see, let's see, let's see. What am I doing here? Oh, sorry if I have the music up way too loud and I'm talking way too quiet. Ooh. Let's fix that. Fixed. Maybe. I wonder how does this get probably something that I have to look into. CK. No, not anonymous. Save that. Okay, and now content authoring. Figure. Okay, so you have to add it in. Then I edit it here. Interesting. Interesting that it no, edit that. Structure. We're gonna look at Yeah, I'm not sure how to do this. Oh, you've got to enable it. Okay. Well, that's kind of the thing, you know. That's horrible. Closing it down there. I need to run to the bathroom. I'm gonna take a quick break. Anybody wants it, I'm gonna words. And I will be right back. It was a good try to assist. You gave it your all. All right. I've been bouncing all over the fucking place, haven't I? No, no, no. Cancel that. Cancel that. What was I doing here? Let's look back at the windsurf. I was cleaning some of these up too. Did I change it here? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. What am I doing there? Okay, so got pretty much all this. Look what we built. Slide. What kind of slide? The section slide. I don't even know what the three fields are. Transform. Position X 7 times 1920. Slide 7. Progress we made. Oh yeah, here we go. Problem. The perception hasn't. All right. Boom. Nope. No. Quick load. Field 1. Are you? Okay. And now, make unique here. Word. Word. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm bad at this stuff. Like styling text and layouts. I feel like the text should be much, much larger here. Problem. Yeah. Animate one by one. Ooh, that was bad of me. Why didn't anybody correct me there? Why didn't anybody correct me? Dare I not put in that? There we go. All right. Drupal Forge, but how do you find it? Animate one by one. Aim of what we think we look like versus perception of others. All right, we got that. Neat. Why developers don't choose. All right, the words choose versus recommend. Choose versus recommend. I don't think in a lot of companies the developers have a say in the tech that gets used. I think somebody higher up normally says, hey, we're going to use this. But it could also be a situation of, ooh, I want to change this section. How developers get into Drupal? Okay. Who started their dev career wanting to do Drupal? No, why would you? Who fell into Drupal? I don't know why this autocomplete thing is happening. It's annoying as all hell. Let's see. Okay, so who started their career wanting to do it? Who fell into it? Actually, I think this might be a better one for no. What happens when I change type here? Slide. Cool. Okay, word. Another question. Make unique. Wait, what? Okay, who started out wanting to use Drupal? Who? Anybody? Nobody. I don't think so. Exactly. All right, so we got that. Who started out wanting to use Drupal? Who? Where's my notes? Who just fell into it? All right, I've got 8 slides so far. I gotta be respectful of time too. I've gotta make sure that I'm not just making slides for the sake of making slides. What the hell? Don't you dare. Why are you breaking? What's going on here? Okay. Yeah, I can move all these around later. You can always change stuff up. Okay. Okay, sorry. I'm reading my stuff here. Should probably be reading it out loud, but I'm not, so deal with it. We're gonna have another slow save. What the hell? What the hell? Why does it go so? Down. Bow. Ow, back hurts. I think I might call it early today. Maybe I'll be back this afternoon. Later this afternoon. I need to grab something to eat. I need to think about some things, maybe rewrite this. And I know that it's not good content to watch me just like, but I'm gonna make the thing. but I might reach out to some other Drupal devs and get thoughts from them, because I've gotten a lot of feedback from people who aren't Drupal. So I'd like to get some counterpoints to it. I think would be really cool. Let me see if I can get to. It's going to start. Let's snooze. Shit. Wrong button. Fuck. Okay, cool. Looking at the count too, not really enough to rate out with. I feel bad going under 10. But, you know, I appreciate everybody hanging out, the ones who stuck around. I hope that people who stopped in first time like it. I know, but it's a personal thing. I mean, if I read in one time with like 20 and then the next time 4, it's hard for me. Because especially, you know, when things were going really, really good for a really long time, and then the bot attack of the great bot attack of 2024 that ruined me. I really need to stop using that as a crutch. No. My attitude after the bot attack that made things worse. Yeah, I don't like going with less than 10 because I feel like it's a call for, it's begging for validation. Like, I know I'm coming in with only 2 people, but please love me. It's like, I'm just going to show up to get a shout out, even though nobody's going to follow with the shout out. So yeah, let's wait the next minute, and then I'll say goodbye to everybody. That's fair. You know what? That is fair. Maybe later. Maybe if I come back this afternoon. I probably will. But I want to do some offline work on this. And then come back to do the cool stuff on stream. The cool stuff. The cool Drupal stuff. Yeah, like that exists. So yeah, everybody, if you want to join the Discord, that's a thing. If you want to sub on YouTube, I'd appreciate that. Those of you on YouTube, if anybody. If you wanna join the Twitch stream, that's where cool things happen. If you want to, I don't know, support me and not let any money go to Bezos, there's that. I ain't got nothing else. I appreciate y'all. Take care. Have a great rest of your day. If I don't see you on the next one, then I'll see you at another one. All right, take care. Bye-bye.